Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to let others duplicate your Notion page. Click New Page in the left sidebar to create a fresh page, which opens a blank page in your main workspace ready for you to build your template. Click the Share button in the top right corner to open the Share dialog. You'll see tabs for Share, Publish, and Connections along the top, with sharing options below. Click the Publish tab at the top of the dialog to switch to the Publish to Web screen where the duplication settings live, along with other publishing controls. Click the Publish button to make your page live on the web, and a banner appears at the top confirming this page is now published, with a public link that anyone can visit. Scroll down to find the Duplicate as Template toggle, and click it to switch it off. This toggle controls whether people can duplicate your page, so turning it off means they can only view it without being able to copy it into their own workspace. Click the Copy Link button to copy your public link to the clipboard, and a toast notification confirms the link is copied so you can share it wherever you need to. To allow duplication, click the Duplicate as Template toggle again to switch it back on. Now anyone with your link can duplicate this page into their own Notion workspace as a starting template. You can toggle this setting on or off at any time to control whether your page can be duplicated, and your changes save automatically without needing to click a Confirm button. When Duplicate as Template is turned on, visitors see a duplicate button at the top of your published page that copies it straight into their workspace with all formatting and content intact. If you want to stop people duplicating your page later, just come back to the Publish tab and toggle it off again. Existing duplicates stay in place, but new visitors won't be able to make copies. You need to publish the page to web first, before the duplication toggle appears. So if you don't see it, click Publish, and the toggle will become available. And that's how to let others duplicate your Notion page. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.